Hello, darling, and welcome back to Wonderland. Are you looking for a super cute, simple hairstyle? Well, today I got you covered, and we're going to be doing this hairstyle in the middle of wilderness. Combing through the hair, eliminating any tangles, I'm going to divide my hair into two sections starting from the center part. Taking a small section of hair, I'm dividing that into three pieces. I'm going to take one of the pieces of hair and place that strand underneath the middle section. I'm repeating the same process on the other side, placing those strands underneath the middle section. Then I'm going to start incorporating very small sections of hair to include into those pieces that we are placing underneath the middle. I'm going to continue picking up very small strands of hair until I've reached the crown of my head, and I'm going to finish off the braid and tie it up with an elastic. Repeating that exact process on the other side, taking a small section of hair, divide that into three pieces, taking each strand and placing that underneath the middle strands of hair. Then I'm going to incorporate very small sections of hair, placing those underneath the middle sections. Then I'm going to continue this braid all the way to the crown of my head, finish off the braid, and tie it with an elastic. Final step, we are pancaking the hair, spreading apart some of those braided sections for a thicker looking braid. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you would like to see more tutorials like this, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss out on another adventure in Wonderland.